How to fix WhatsApp stuck on restoring media. Is your WhatsApp stuck on the restoring media screen? This can be frustrating, but let's walk through how to solve it step by step. Restoring media like photos and videos requires a stable internet connection. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. Go to your phone settings, find WhatsApp under apps, then check the permissions. Make sure storage access is turned on or media can't be restored. If your backup was large, it may take time to fully restore all media. Leave your phone connected and unlocked for at least 10 to 20 minutes. If it's been hours and still stuck, uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp. During setup, choose the same backup file for a fresh restore. And that's about it. If this video managed to help you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.